Good morning, students. I hope all of you are good and stay at home, children. Now, today we'll start our video, and the topic of this class is the three parallel range of the Himalaya. Class 4, Social Science, and chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is the Northern Mountain. Today we will discuss about three parallel ranges of Himalayas. First parallel range, you know very well, the Greater Himalaya. Second one, the Middle Himalaya, and the third one is the Outer Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya, or it is called Himadri, the Middle Himalaya, or it is called Himachal, and the last one, Outer Himalaya, it is called Shivalik. Now let us talk about the Greater Himalaya, beta. The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north. You know very well, there are four directions: north, south, east, west. The Greater Himalaya is in the extreme north only. It is the highest of the three ranges. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. यहाँ पूरे साल बर्फ से ढका हुआ आता है क्या? Greater Himalaya. Here one picture on the bottom, beta. It is a picture of glacier. So students, you know that what is a glacier? Yes, I know, you know very well. A glacier is a slow moving river of ice and snow. Glacier is a slow moving river. Slow moving river means धीरे धीरे धीमी गति से बहने वाली नदी. And it is made up of ice and snow. So नदी में पानी कैसे, आइस कैसे मेल्ट हो गई? ड्यू टू द चेंजेस ऑफ वेदर. जैसे ही वेदर चेंज हुआ, सनलाइट पड़ी, वेदर चेंज होने की वजह से, तो वो जो आइस थी पिघल के बहने लगी और उसके ऊपर आइस भी है. एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड अ ग्लेशियर. नाउ glaciers are found in these mountains. From which mountain, students? Glaciers are found only in Greater Himalaya. Many rivers such as Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate from these glaciers. इन्हीं glaciers से कई सारी rivers like Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra सब यहीं से इनकी उत्पत्ति हुई है. मीन्स originate हुई है, starting point है. कहाँ से? Glaciers से. Glacier is in the Greater Himalaya. Kanchenjunga is a very high peak in this range. Kanchenjunga is very high peak in Greater Himalaya, beta. Let us talk about the Middle Himalaya. The Middle Himalaya lies towards the south of the Greater Himalaya. जो Middle Himalaya होते हैं वो Greater Himalaya, it is called Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya के south में, बिल्कुल उसके ठीक नीचे. Okay, it is lower in हाइट देन द ग्रेटर हिमालय. जब ग्रेटर हिमालय के नीचे हैं तो इट इज़ लोअर इन हाइट. द माउंटेन स्लोप्स आर कवर्ड विथ थिक फॉरेस्ट ऑफ पाइन, फिर एंड ड्यूडर. इन मिडिल हिमालय सम स्पेशल ट्रीज आर देयर, पाइन, फिर एंड ड्यूडर. इट इज़ फाउंड ओनली इन मिडिल हिमालयाज. हिल स्टेशंस सच एज शिमला, नैनीताल एंड दार्जिलिंग आर सिचुएटेड हियर ओनली. Students, remember that hill stations are found only in Middle Himalaya. Greater Himalaya glaciers are found and many rivers originated from these glaciers. And Kanchenjunga also is a very high peak in the Greater Himalaya. And in Middle Himalaya, all hill stations are found only in Middle Himalaya and it is covered with thick forest. Now let's move, students. It is the time to discuss about the Outer Himalaya. The Outer Himalaya is located south of the Middle Himalaya. It is our Greater Himalaya, then after Middle Himalaya, then after Outer Himalayas. Outer Himalaya भी south में, Middle Himalaya के बिल्कुल नीचे. This range is covered with forest and it is the lowest in height. सबसे पहले ग्रेटर हिमालय, देन मिडिल हिमालय, उसके नीचे है फिर अपना आउटर हिमालय. दैट मीन्स वो पहले ही सबसे छोटा है. इट इज़ लोएस्ट इन हाइट. एंड दिस रेंज, विच रेंज? आउटर हिमालय इज कवर्ड विथ फॉरेस्ट, थिक फॉरेस्ट. मैनी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स आर फाउंड इन दीज फॉरेस्ट. रिमेंबर दैट बेटा. नाउ हियर वन टॉपिक इज दिस. विच वन? काराकोरम माउंटेन रेंजेस. To the northwest of the Himalayas. Beyond river Indus lies the Karakoram range. You know very well, we have 4 directions. In between north and east, one direction is this, and that direction is called the intermediate directions. Okay, north and west, north और west के बीच में जो direction है that is north west direction. And river Indus lies the Karakoram range. Karakoram range के ही अंतर्गत आती है Indus river. Mount Godwin Austen or we call K2 lies in this range. इसी range में K2 और Mount Godwin Austen आता है, and it is the highest peak in India. Remember that बेटा, it is the highest peak in our India. हमारी इंडिया की highest peak है. Which one? K2. K2 is the highest peak in our India, and the second highest peak in the world. Which one? K2. K2 is the second highest peak in the world. हमारे दुनिया की, वर्ल्ड की सेकेंड नंबर की सेकेंड हाईएस्ट है K2, एंड हमारी इंडिया की फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट पीक इन द वर्ल्ड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डिड यू नो विच इज द हाईएस्ट पीक, फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट पीक इन द वर्ल्ड? Yes, very good. It's our Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Students, you know how much height is this? The height of the Mount Everest is 8,846 meter. Okay, students, today's that's enough to you. Now, see you in the next video, students. Good day.